let me see if I can do this screen share thing properly. For the purposes of this next prompt, I would like you to give some thought to how you originally understood that you could draw or paint, or for some of you, dance or sing, or perhaps no math. In other words, I want you to think back to your memory of when you first understood what you know. Now, as an artist, I'm going to go back to this picture here. Let me see for a minute. I'm going to do this. Let's see if we can work this out. Okay. Does everybody see a picture? Yes. Okay, good. In the middle of that picture is a bottle, a baby bottle. And on the left is me as a baby. I call this one before anything bad happened. And on the right is an image of an idea light bulb, which happens to be the logo for my Bright Idea Books company. But the middle picture is the one I want to address right now, and I'm going to ask you to think about for yourself. When I was 3, my baby bottle broke. In those days, they were glass. And my father, I was crying, and my father said, here. And he took a crayon, a black crayon, and on the wall, he drew a picture of the baby bottle. And I watched, first of all, I stopped crying because he was doing something that was completely forbidden. And second of all, I watched how his crayon moved around the edge of the bottle and those little notches. In those days, they had this like black rubber nipple. And I understood from watching how his hand went, how he made it look 3-dimensional. And I understood how to draw from that moment on. I was very lucky because I was young. And from then on, I could draw. And it's not an understatement to say that knowing how to draw saved my life. So some of you might have another memory of some sort where you understood that you knew something. Maybe it was math, maybe it was singing, maybe it was how to draw, maybe it was dancing. So you're going to have about 4.5 minutes now for a longer picture, and just draw a picture for yourself. It could be in parts, it could be sequential, or just one picture of you understanding your own memory of who you are. Okay.